Welcome to the world of surface mount devices, the invisible giants powering your smartphone. Beneath the glass is a densely packed, microscopic world that gives your phone more computing power than early space missions. Surface mount technology, or SMT, replaced the older through-hole technology. SMT components shrink drastically by soldering flat tabs directly to the surface, allowing both sides of the board to be used. Modern components are the size of a single grain of salt, with over 1,000 of these microscopic pieces in a single smartphone. For comparison, the 01005 component, the smartphone standard, is just 0.4 millimeters. The motherboard is a multi-layered copper city. 10 to 12 layers of copper and fiberglass are pressed together, forming the foundation for these tiny electronic components. A supporting cast of components keeps the city running smoothly. This includes MLCCs to store energy, resistors to restrict current, and inductors to manage power distribution and filter signals. The brains connect through hundreds of microscopic solder balls using a ball grid array. This technique allows for hundreds of simultaneous connections in a space no larger than a fingernail. The manufacturing process begins with step 1, printing the solder paste. A precisely cut stencil pushes a mixture of microscopic solder spheres and flux onto the copper pads. Step 2 is high-speed robotic placement. Components are too small for human hands, so robotic arms place up to 100,000 parts per hour with the speed of a hummingbird. Step 3 is baking in the reflow oven. The board passes through a perfectly calibrated oven, melting the solder paste into solid connections without damaging the sensitive silicon chips. Step 4 involves automated AI inspection. High-resolution cameras inspect every microscopic joint, smaller than a human hair, to catch errors like tombstoning. This microscopic engineering creates massive everyday benefits. It increases space, allowing batteries to occupy 60 to 70% of the internal volume. It improves durability, as smaller parts have less mass and better survive physical shock. And it increases speed, as electricity travels shorter distances, drastically reducing latency. As we reach the physical limits of shrinking, the future is building upwards. Engineers are stacking chips into 3D silicon skyscrapers, known as system in package, to save even more space, moving away from traditional sprawl. Surface mount technology is the silent engine of the digital age. Every text, photo, and call relies on thousands of salt grain-sized components working in perfect harmony beneath your fingertips.